and they start to push each other. Yes, I think we have a winner. Okay, now the other one who lost the battle, who lost the battle, he's going now to look for another crowd.
Another what?
Lost this battle, and now he's getting closer to the finish. Closer, and he starts to walk around her in circles, around her in circles. Okay? You left, you bye-bye. Okay, around her in circles, and then little by little to see if she wants him at all.
Oh,
And then he is, and then what he is doing, he is getting closer and closer. You smell her asshole.
I don't want that.
Virtual. You don't do this, huh? Okay? You smell her asshole and you lick it. This is the way.
Een echte rimmer. Fantastisch. Huppakee.
Now this is the way that it's going with them in the nature. Some boys, they bring flowers, and this is the way that they are coming to the